Hello, in front of me I've got HONOR X5c Plus. In this video I'll show you how to wipe cache partition. In order to wipe cache partition, we have to enter recovery mode. In order to do it, firstly, we have to reset the smartphone. And now, when it's restarting, press and hold power button and volume up button until you see Android logo. Smartphone will vibrate twice. Release buttons, and now we will enter recovery mode. Select clear data and select wipe cache partition. Now go back, select restart, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.